Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set up a PayPal developer account. This is your first step to integrating PayPal into your applications or websites. First, navigate to the PayPal developer website. You can log in with an existing personal or business PayPal account or easily sign up for a new one if you don't have one. Once logged in, you will be directed to your developer dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. This dashboard provides access to all the necessary tools and resources. Next, we'll create Sandbox accounts, which are crucial for testing. From your dashboard, go to the Sandbox menu and click on Accounts. Here, you should create at least 2 types of accounts, one business account and one personal account. These simulate real-world transactions, allowing you to test your integrations thoroughly without involving actual funds. You can even create several additional accounts to test different user roles and payment scenarios, ensuring robust functionality. Now it's time to register your application. Head over to My Apps and Credentials within your developer dashboard. Here, you will create a new REST API application. Give your application a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Upon creation, PayPal will provide you with a unique client ID and a secret key. These 2 pieces of information are vital for authenticating your application when it communicates with PayPal's APIs, so keep them secure. Finally, once your testing is complete and you are ready to go live, you will need to obtain your live API credentials. In the My Apps and Credentials section, simply toggle the environment from Sandbox to Live. Then, generate a new set of client ID and secret key specifically for your production environment. These are the credentials your application will use to process actual payments. Remember to store these live credentials securely and never expose them publicly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.